Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a fun and creative project, how to sublimate stickers. Sublimation is not just for fabrics. It's a fantastic way to create vibrant, long-lasting stickers perfect for customizing your gear or enhancing your crafting business. I'll guide you through the entire process, ensuring that even beginners can follow along and create amazing results. Before we get started, you can visit my website from the link in the description below, or search my brand color vistas online for more resources. Let's take a look at understanding sublimation for stickers. Sublimation on stickers involves transferring a design from sublimation paper onto specially coated sticker paper through heat and pressure. This method embeds the ink directly into the material, resulting in durable, vibrant stickers that are resistant to water and UV damage. Let's now move on to essential equipment and materials. Sublimation printer. You'll need a printer like the Epson or Sawgrass models that can handle sublimation ink. Sublimation ink and sticker paper. High-quality ink is crucial for vibrant colors, and you must use sticker paper specifically designed for sublimation. Heat press. A reliable heat press is essential for ensuring the heat is distributed evenly and the design transfers correctly. Now, for preparing your design. Design software. Utilize tools like Adobe Illustrator or Cricut Design Space to create your design. These programs offer precise control and the ability to prepare intricate designs tailored for stickers. Image quality. Ensure your images are at least 300 dpi for clarity and vibrancy. Sublimation intensifies colors, so choose bright, bold designs for the best results. Let's look at the fun part. Printing and transferring your design. Printing. Load your sublimation printer with the sticker paper and print your designs. Make sure they are mirrored to ensure they transfer correctly. Heat press settings. Set your heat press to about 370 degrees and press for 40 seconds. This will vary slightly depending on your heat press model, so adjust accordingly. Pressing. Place the printed design down on the heat press, cover it with a Teflon sheet, and press. After pressing, peel the paper hot to reveal your vibrant stickers. And now, cutting and finishing your stickers. Cutting. Use a cutting machine like a Cricut or Silhouette to cut out your stickers. These machines can precisely cut around your designs, leaving a clean and professional finish. Application. To apply your stickers, make sure the surface is clean and dry. This will help with adhesion and longevity. Here are some tips for successful sublimation. Avoid smudging. Make sure the ink is dry before placing the design on the heat press to avoid smudging. Test. Print. Always do a test print to adjust color and alignment before doing a full run. Maintenance. Regularly check your printer and heat press to ensure they are functioning correctly for consistent results. Sublimating stickers is a straightforward process that opens up countless possibilities for personalization and business. With the right materials and a bit of practice, you can create high-quality, durable stickers that stand out. Remember, the key to great sublimation is precision in preparation and execution. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on our latest videos. Have any questions or want to share your sublimation projects? Leave a comment below. I'd love to see what you create. You can visit my website from the link in the description below or search my brand color vistas online for more resources. Until next time, happy crafting.